using flat iron. So this is the sample finished product. Step 1, print and cut out your flashcards. Of course, so we need our flashcards. Siyempre, wala tayong flashcards, wala tayong ilalagay. And there are a lot of resources you may download from the internet for free, like this one. This is coming from the teachingon.com. So there are a lot of printables on that site that you can use for free. You can print it. You can use it for personal use. Just don't sell it because that would be copyright issue. So now we're done cutting the flashcards. We have 2 sets here. We have the uppercase alphabet, as you can see. So all capital letters, syempre. And we also have the lowercase alphabet. So if meron tayong uppercase, print din tayo ng lowercase alphabet. So check kung ito na natin match. Siyempre, prepare yung materials for lamination. So, of course, you have the flashcards and the laminating paper. So this one, I just bought this from National Bookstore. It's just around 7 to 10 per meter or yard, I guess. And we're going to measure it just a few millimeters away. Parang allowance lang dun sa ating flashcards na ginawa. Like so. Ayan. Na-measure ko siya ng 72 millimeters. So we're going to prepare yung ating laminating paper. So itakat natin siya according to the size that we need. Using a ruler and a marker para pantay ang pagkakat. So meron akong mga nagawa na kasi kanina na ganyan. Cut ko na. So, laminating time using flat iron or yung plancha na ginagamit natin sa damit. Yes guys, plancha lang po. Wala tayong laminating machine. So, DIY to. Wala tayong ibang machine na gagamitin kundi kung ano yung mga available natin sa back. Except, syempre, yung ating laminating paper. Dahil we have to buy it. And if wala tayong printer, mahirap din naman makagawa tayo ng ganito. Okay. So, ayan. Nagawa ko na po ikat lahat ng flashcards. I mean, ng laminating paper na sukat dun sa ating kailangan. So, we may combine two categories in one flashcard para hindi naman sayang yung ating, para masulit natin yung laminating paper natin. So, instead of one flashcard lang sa isang set ng laminating paper or isang pair, pwede tayo mag-combine like siguro sa harap letters and then sa kabila na ibang category. We need the fabric to cover yung ating laminating paper. And syempre, test muna natin yung ating flat iron. I'm just using ordinary flat iron or plancha na ginagamit sa damit. So, we'll lay down all of the materials, laminating paper and then the flashcards together. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung matte na side, yun po yung nasa loob. Yun po yung magdikit. Dapat hindi po siya mabaliktad. Okay, so we'll put it on top of the fabric and then tatakpan po ulit natin siya ng isa pang layer ng fabric. And then we do the ironing. So, usually mga 8 to 10 seconds lang, tapos na to. You have to be careful kasi mainit siya, of course, pagkahawakan. Babalikan na lang natin kung sakasakaling meron pang mga natira parts na hindi pa nagdikit. gawa na tayo ng isa. Yan, matigas naman siya. Although medyo manipis siya kasi depende yun sa ginamit natin na laminating paper. So, kung gusto niyo natin mas makapal, syempre mas makapal na laminating paper din ang gagamitin natin. But then, maganda naman yung quality niya. Yan. So, medyo meron lang siyang konting sharp edges. So, if you want, you may cut them. So, let's try again for another set of flashcards. Letter B naman tayo, and number 2 yung nasa likod. Okay, so again, same procedure. We'll layer it. Yan, and then put it sa ilalim, sa loob ng ating fabric. And then, do the ironing. Actually, mas maganda tong, parang na-observe ko, mas maganda yung up and down stroke. This seems better and faster than the other. Mas mabilis siya and not naman na mas mabilis pero mas effective siya. Mas efficient. Okay, so we'll do the rest of this flashcards and we're done. Thanks for watching!